The Powermill Power Entrance Panel Rework Service Kit consists of the parts for rework in warehouses, at installation and in the field. Service Bulletin PM 180625 describes the complete rework instructions. This is the power entrance shroud, the switch module, the rear protecting cover. Please note that the power entrance shroud could already be installed for some models. Then don't use the kit version. The line cord retaining bracket and the screw and grommet. The last three parts don't need to be used for rework at warehouses and installations, as the original supplied parts can be used.